All right, hi guys, happy Wednesday. I think it's gonna be Wednesday for you guys. All right, so today's lesson is really about your practice. So please keep in mind your outline should be done, but today you're gonna be allowed to practice using your outline. But again, the goal is when you actually do your final video of your how-to, you're not gonna be reading off of this, okay? So like I said, today your practice is going to be, you can keep it right next to you with all of your materials that you're going to need. Or again, whatever you need, if you're doing like how to ride a bike, then you're going to need your bike and like your helmet. So you'll have those things. So keep in mind, you need your practice materials. Now, I'm just pretending that these things are my ice cream, my root beer, my scooper, and then again, I have my cup. But for my real one, I will have the real ingredients to show you. But for today, again, it's really just about practicing your presentation and making sure you are using your outline. So again, you're introducing yourself, you're stating what your how-to is. And again, the big thing is you guys are using your transition words while you're explaining your how-to. So like I said, today I'm gonna practice with you guys and show you what it would look like for me. So I have all my materials ready in front of me. And then again, I have my outline. And this is just for me to really kind of make sure I'm on the right track and doing the right steps. But again, after 2 or 3 practices, I might try to flip this over and do it without any help, okay? So to start off with, again, I'm gonna start with my outline. So I'm gonna go ahead and practice what my how-to would actually sound like when I'm ready to have it videoed, okay? All right. Hi friends, my name is Mrs. Sellers, and today I am gonna share with you how to make a root beer float, okay? So the first thing you need is that we are going to begin with our materials. You need your root beer, ice cream, I like to use vanilla, a cup, and a scooper. Once you have those, the next thing you're gonna do is you are gonna take a scoop of ice cream and you're gonna put it in the cup. Then you are going to pull or get your root beer and you're gonna pour some of your root beer into the cup. Finally, you get to eat and enjoy your root beer float. I hope that you can make a root beer float with me next time. Thanks, you guys. Okay, so keep in mind, my friends, I did everything on the outline. I introduced myself. I told you guys what I was going to be making. I started off with how to get started with a root beer float. I used my transition words of next, then, and then again, I ended it by saying, finally, you can eat it. And then again, I did a closing with it by saying, I hope you can make one with me next time. So again, today's activity or today's lesson is really just practicing. So if you noticed, I actually kind of had to keep looking down at my chart to make sure I was going in the right order. That means I need to practice this a couple more times because when I do the final, I'm gonna put this paper to the side and I have no helpers, okay? So I'm gonna have to make sure that I'm gonna practice this probably 3 or 4 more times and then I'll be ready for my final video. All right, you guys, have a wonderful day. I cannot wait to see your how-tos. Bye.